If you ever tried making videos with AI before, you probably run into this problem. You generate a clip, then another clip, then another one, and suddenly the workflow becomes slow and messy. So today I'm testing Topview Agent V2, a tool that promises to create a long form AI video with multiple scenes in one workflow. So what is a Topview Agent? So Topview Agent V2 is essentially an AI video planner and generator combined. So instead of generating just a single short clip, the platform helps you turn an idea into a structured storyboard, break the idea into multiple scenes, generate those scenes with AI, and combine everything into one continuous video. The system is powered by Seedance 2.0, which is one of the latest AI video generation models available on the platform. And if you're using the business annual plan, you actually get 365 days of unlimited Seedance 2.0 generation. So instead of jumping between different tools, everything happens inside one workflow. So let me show you how this works step by step. Okay, so we are on the first step here. So the first step, you need to make sure that you open the video agent V2. So make sure that you're on the right model there. Okay, so then after that, you enter your prompt describing the video you want to create. So I'm going to paste my prompt right here. Let me just paste my prompt here. So after pasting your prompt, you can also add images like I did already here. So you add your images if you want more control over the visuals. So you can add at least until 5 images. Okay. So we're going to move to the settings part. So you've got, as you can see, the system already has just chosen the standard, and then you've got fast and the standard, and then the two of the models are still coming. So we're going to go with this standard. Okay, so now we come here to the aspect ratio. There are lots of aspect ratio that you can just choose from depending on what you are creating the video for, which platform. Okay, so I'm creating it for YouTube as for example. Let me just leave it on 16:9, and then we come here to the resolution. So with the resolution, we've got 480p and 720p. So I'm going to go with the highest resolution, and then with the duration, we have from 15 seconds up until 300 seconds. So let me just say the duration of my video is 30 seconds. Let me just leave it on the 30 seconds. And then after adding your prompt, your images, and then you did the settings, you click this arrow button that is facing up to send your request and start generating. So we're going to click right here. Okay, so right now we are on a storyboard. This is the step 2. The AI will automatically turn your ideas into multiple scene. As you can see, you can see the scene 1 and scene 2. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna just leave it on scene 2, but it can create even more than that. Okay, so another feature that I actually love, that is actually my favorite, is that you can talk directly to the agent. Okay, so for example, you can ask the agent to adjust the scene or change the visual style or to modify the action. You can actually just put it here. You can just write anything that you want. You can just say anything to the agent, and then they will definitely do that for you. And then you just click on this arrow. Okay, so that's how beautiful the system is. Okay, so when you are done with everything, you can just insert and generate. So now we are on step 4, which is the multi-scene generation. So the top view generates all the scene in a sequence, meaning each a clip is created one after another automatically. So this allows you to build a longer video, not just a single short clip. But if you want, you can just click add more scene to continue extending your story. So now we are on a step 5. So step 5 is actually the timeline, as we are almost at the end of our video. So once all the scenes are ready, you click finish to move everything into the timeline. So already the system has already automatically just moved all the videos into the timeline. So this is where you need to start with your editing part. So here you can see each clip arranged in order, forming one continuous video. As you can see, there's another video after the other. Okay, and then you can see even more videos at the side. Okay, so you can just move them now with this arrow. This is how easy it is. Then you can just rearrange them the way you want them. If you are not happy with the other one being before the other one, you can just add them according to your liking. Okay, we came to the last part. The last part is when you are satisfied with your video, and then you just click export, and then Topview will render your full long form video. Okay, so one thing I really like about this tool is how you can actually talk to the AI agent and refine your scene instead of starting over and over again. You can just adjust what you already have, and that makes the whole process feel a lot easier and more controlled. So, and also the multi-scene workflow also makes a big difference, because you're not just creating short clips, you are actually building a full video step by step in one place. So now one thing I did notice is that when it comes to creating content with real people or certain realistic scenarios, there are some limitations. So depending on what you want to create, that might feel a bit restrictive. So but overall the workflow is simple, it saves time, and it is a really good tool if you want to turn your ideas into structured longer videos without switching between multiple tools. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.
High above the world, a silent observatory listens to the universe. Then one night, something unusual appears. A signal, not from Earth. Something ancient, waiting to be found. And tonight, humanity finally hears its message.
Then one night, something unusual appears. A signal, not from Earth. And tonight, humanity finally hears its message.